how to change your name on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply change your name on Facebook. So firstly, open up the Facebook application, and then once you have this opened up, click on the top right where you see three lines. And then once you click on these three lines, scroll down to the very bottom, click on settings and privacy, and then after that click on settings once again. And then from over here, simply take a look at the account section and click on personal and account information. So when you click on that, that is going to show you your name, your contact info, your identity confirmation. So click on your name, and then from over here, you guys can simply change your first name, your last name, and also you guys can add in your middle name. Now once you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. So this means that once you change it, you'll have to wait for 2 months if you guys want to change it again. So keep this in mind when you are changing your name. Other than that, there are absolutely no restrictions, and you guys can change your name to whatever else after 2 months. So guys, that is how you guys can change your name on Facebook. Only takes a few moments, but it gets the job done. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.